Quitting smoking isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's tough, it's messy, and it's deeply personal. But it's also easy with the right approach. But you're not alone, and you're stronger than you know. Let's walk through the 5 stages to break free from smoking together. Stage 1, pre-contemplation. You're not thinking about quitting yet. Maybe you feel smoking is just part of who you are, or maybe you've tried before and it didn't work. That's okay. This stage is about awareness. Deep down you might feel that tug, something telling you there's more to life than this. It's okay to not be ready. Just listen to that quiet voice inside. Stage 2, contemplation. Now you're thinking about it. You're weighing the pros and cons. You miss the energy you used to have, the freedom of breathing easy. It's scary to imagine life without cigarettes, but you're starting to see a future where you're in control, not the nicotine. Take your time. Every question brings you closer. Stage 3, preparation. This is where the magic starts. You've made the decision, you're quitting. You're making a plan, gathering tools, maybe talking to loved ones for support. You're scared, sure, but you're also excited. You've got this. Set your date, gather your tools. You're stronger than you think. Stage 4, action. You've stopped smoking. Every craving you fight is a victory. Every day you stay smoke-free builds your strength. It's not easy. There are moments you want to give up. But look at you. You're rewriting your story, one brave choice at a time. Every moment you resist is a win. You're rewriting your future. Stage 5, maintenance. You've done it. You're smoke-free, and you're protecting that freedom. Sure, there are temptations, but you've learned how to handle them. You breathe easier, laugh louder, live fuller. This is the life you deserve. You're free, protect it, celebrate it, live it. Wherever you are on this journey, know this, you're not alone and you're capable of incredible change. Health and Beauty Hub will meet you at any stage and guide you to success. Complete our fun quiz to determine your stage. Take it one stage at a time. Freedom is waiting for you. Your journey, your victory, start today. Visit us at bw.healthandbeautyhub.store and we will guide you to success.